everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer money from Binance to your Wise account. First, log into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, move over the trade menu at the top of the page and select P2P trading. Since you want to convert your crypto into fiat currency and receive the funds in Wise, click on the Sell tab. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Select the currency you want to receive in your Wise account, such as USD. Now go to the payment method section, search for Wise and select it. Binance will display a list of buyers who are willing to purchase your USDT and send payments directly to your Wise account. Once you have found a reliable buyer, click Sell USDT, enter the amount you want to sell, and confirm that Wise is selected as your payment method. Make sure your Wise account details are added correctly. After submitting the order, the buyer will send the money to your Wise account, often within just a few minutes. Once you have received the payment and verified it in your Wise account, you can release the crypto to complete the transaction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.